Hello my wonderful people, you all are welcome back to my channel Erica's Beauty Touch. If it's your first time of visiting my channel, please do also to subscribe, like, share and comment for more video. This video I'm going to show us how to make the DIY sugar leaf scrubs, the perfect Christmas gift for your friends, your family and loved ones. If you are type that has a wife that have a dry leaves, you are not alone. And you can use a few simple ingredients found in your kitchen to help make your dry leaves smooth again with our DIY sugar leaf scrubs. Make them at home for yourself and for the perfect homemade beauty and for your Christmas gift. You'll be needing an empty container for the DIY sugar scrub. You'll be needing an empty container, and you'll be needing the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, which will help to moisturize and exfoliate your lips. And this olive oil is good for this scrubbing of your lips. It's good and helpful for your tender and baby lips. Like if you wish to have that baby lips, this oil is perfectly good for our lips. Another thing we'll be needing is the honey, natural honey, organic honey, that is also good for our lips, our skin as a whole. This natural honey is good for it. Also, we'll be needing our brown sugar. Our brown sugar is very necessary for this tutorial. This tutorial, our brown sugar is very necessary for it. You can also mix everything together and make sure it gives you what you want. The brown sugar you had, and I also have my spoon for my measurement, for measuring all these items I've listed. You make use of your spoon for your measurement. I use this spoon because I want to get a perfect measurement for it. So I'll be scooping just 1 full spoon of brown sugar and putting it into the container. This sugar with this ingredient related option, you can make it on your own. Just add the brown sugar in your container and make sure you add. I don't need much sugar. I don't need my mouth scrub to be much, so I just added a little sugar. This brown sugar, it helps to break down the sugar small granule. Are usually more gentle on our skin than salt scrub. Sugars are natural humectant property, draws moisture from the environment and hydrates the skin. Another natural source of this brown sugar is that it has a benefit of exfoliate is that it has glycolic acid and alpha hydroxy acid that penetrates the skin, and it breaks down waterborne skin cells, helping to encourage cell turnover. So we'll also be measuring half spoon of our honey, natural organic honey, adding it to the sugar. Add it to the sugar. With the ingredients listed in the flavor options. You will want to make this according to your jar size. Add your sugar and your honey slowly. Add your sugar and your honey slowly. Then go ahead to add your extra virgin olive oil slowly into the jar. I'm going to add a little amount, not full spoon, just a half spoon amount of the olive oil, extra virgin oil. I'll add it into the jar also, and I will make sure I will help to mix it tenderly well. Mix it gently. In mixing this, you need to be patient, have a lot of patience in mixing it. So I'll go ahead and add my olive oil, my sugar, and my honey, all mixed in my jar together. The size of your jar determines the amount of how big or how you want your lip scrub to be. So I don't need much. So you go ahead and mix it patiently. Keep mixing. You don't want to disintegrate your sugar. Yes, you keep mixing into the sugar softly. You combine everything, all this mixture together. You keep mixing together till you get the perfect texture you want. Once it's combined and it has a sugary finish but stick together with a thick paste texture, you are done. Yeah, it goes a long way. Honey will only make a few drops as well. Remember, it's always easier to add more later if needed. So just keep mixing till you get to this texture. I think I'm getting the texture I want already. So in mixing this, you need to be patient to get. As you can see, I just turned my spoon upside down and making use of the handle, my spoon handle, to mix it, because I need it to mix well and perfectly well to give me the texture I want. So if you've watched to this extent, you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's keep learning together, sharing good ideas. If you've tried this before, let me know in my comment box. Okay, if you will try it, you'll also let me know. Remember that this is very useful, especially for now. We are going to enter the Harmattan season, the summer season. This is very helpful for us, for our lips. For those of us who find it difficult to laugh because of the tear or dry lips, you can't laugh properly. So this is a perfect video for us. We need to make use of this at least 3 times in a week. You scrub your lips, it will give you that tender lips, like baby-like lips you want, you need for this glowing. And as you keep mixing, you can see it can take you up to 5 minutes in mixing, or more than. So some of these benefits of this lip scrub is that the lip scrubs are used to exfoliate, removing impurity, dead, flaky skin, and plump your lips. Yes, and plump your lips. This is one of the benefits. This is my lip scrubs. Is ready to use. How to use? You may ask why use sugar as why you have to use this lip scrubs with this ingredient listed in the flavor option. You will want to make this according to your jar size. Add your sugar, your olive oil, and your honey, and smash them together. So how to use your DIY sugar lip scrub? Or go over a sieve, scoop out a desired amount. I will suggest enough to scoop out on your index finger. Apply to your lips by patting on, then taking a soft or toothbrush or washcloth, scrub around to exfoliate. You can also apply this You can also apply this to your leaves, to your tender leaves. You can also apply your more scrub as needed. Just feel your leaves. Did you get all the dry skin off? If no, you can add more and keep scrubbing. If yes, now wipe off with a damp towel and apply it. It can be stored for 2 weeks inside in your refrigerator. It can be stored for 2 weeks. So friends, if you've watched to this extent, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do us a favor and press that smash the sub button, comment, like, share, and let us know what you think. Yeah, if you've tried this before, let us know if it works for you. For me, I think it will work because olive oil and honey mixed together has a lot of benefit to the skin, and it can also make your skin or your lips so soft and tender. Just keep scrubbing your lips with it and you will see a perfect result in no distance time. And if there is, I don't think there's any side effect because it's our home use items. What we consume is, they are all consumable. If you've watched, thank you for staying tuned. Love you. Bye.